Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show the Counting Locations Edit Screen Sidebar. The Counting Locations Edit Screen Sidebar, located on the right side of the editing screen, provides additional options for the selected counting locations. From this sidebar, you can delete items within the selected counting location and also perform bulk actions to delete multiple items at once. In this video, we will start on a Stock Setup screen, Stock Items tab. Click on the Counting Location sub-tab to open the Counting Location screen. From here, double-click on a desired counting location. The editing screen of the desired counting location will open. Check the corresponding checkbox to select the desired stock items on the counting location that you want to delete from the list. Click on the Sidebar Expander button to expand the Counting Locations Edit Screen sidebar. The Actions or Bulk Actions allows you to delete multiple stock items for the counting location. Once the desired items are selected, click on the Delete button. An attention pop-up will appear to ask you if you are sure that you want to delete the selected items from the counting location. Lastly, click on the OK button.